we just got to this no heat call, XR80 here in an attic. Let's see if we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 flashes. Nine flashes. Check igniter. Alright, well, let's open up that other cabinet and we'll check this igniter. Alright, let's check this igniter. Alright, well, let's ohm this igniter out real quick, because we are getting power to it, but it doesn't want to energize. So usually that's a bad part, but let's just see. It's a little weird, kind of variable, which isn't the greatest, but okay. Well, I'm probably gonna get a new circuit board and igniter. There's a nice little kit Trane has now. Hey, look at those resistance just keeps going up. Something's going on with that igniter. It's getting power, but it's not glowing at all. And then the motor kicks back on. It's giving us an error 9, saying to check the igniter. So let's listen to the board and the system for a second and see if we can get it going. That's it's cool to have it come with this little guy. Put that on after. Make it look kind of modern. Comes with the igniter too. Put that over there. Alright, we'll get this board in. Alright, take all our neutrals out first. All the Mullix plugs. Cut out the thermostat wires. Resistors are already overheating. Alright, let's get our motor speeds in. And 20 volts. Let's see. Cool. Line power. Producer motor. Motor speeds in, cooling's down here. We'll park these two. Heat. Alright, so the Molex plug. In. Everything anchored, installed. Now we're going to move on to the igniter. Place the igniter, the adapter, igniter, that's for the board, bracket, igniter, put on this little bracket here. Don't use a drill to put an igniter in, especially a carbide igniter. But this is a nitride and I can't find my extra long 1/4-inch nut driver. So I do not recommend using a drill, but if you need to, be careful. Alright, one more screw and we can test everything. There we go. Connect it here. Alright, so I've got the igniter in, the board in. Okay, let's put the screws on that support the cover. There's one. Don't have to, over tighten them too much. Another one. Right there. Alright. Let's get another one. And let's get the last one in. Alright, now this thing should ignite now. Alright, let's turn it back on. Perfect. Alright, let's cover it up and we'll test it again. This is the easy one.